Hey friends, Arree Chung here, children's book author, illustrator, and creative entrepreneur. And don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button so that way you'll get notified for future videos. Okay, so let's draw that basic rectangle. So that rectangle is pretty long. And then we drew another rectangle. And then we drew two triangles. And then we drew a circle and a circle, right? So from here, it's just details. So let's add maybe circle lights. So we can add the front, circle lights. We can add a bumper, circle in the back, and curve it out, add the bumper. Cars also have doors. So let's add a door here. And let's add the window. We have the back window. And here for the wheels, we have the hole for the wheels. And let's add the front window. And then there's the mirror, you look at the back. And we can add some stripes if you want. And then in the wheels, we can draw a smaller circle. And then we can also add some seats. So if you want to add somebody, if you want to add a character, let's add an elephant here. He's driving. So you can just add as many details as you want to your car, but the basic is the same. This to this. This. And you can design your own cars. So you can make cars look however you want. Some cars might be cool with having a really long front. You can make the wheels small if you want. You can play around all you want. So what would be the first shape that you would draw with this one? I'm gonna give you guys 5 minutes to draw this one, okay? And bonus if you can place the right number of windows at the right place. So how many windows do we see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we see 8 windows. So you have to plan to place the windows in the right place. So I'm gonna have a quiz for you, a question. I'll actually tell you the question now. You can think about, how do we know where to place the windows? How can we calculate that? All right, so let's draw this limo together, and then we're gonna draw a truck. And then we could draw some bikes. Okay, so it's the same formula that we drew before. First shape is this really long rectangle, like so long. Like look how long this is right here. It's uncomfortably long. So that's the first one. And then we're gonna draw the second shape is on top. And it's maybe like this long. Okay, so for the question of where do you know where to place the windows, what you do is you find the center point of the box. So what you do is you can do this. You can put this box down, and to find the center point, you make an X. So what you do is you find this box and you place an X. You can see this is the middle, right? About there. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side, 1, 2, 3, 4 on that side. So I find my X. Okay, let me actually make my triangles. So I'm gonna add my triangle here, add my triangle there already. And now let's place our wheels. So our wheels are right here, and actually right in front, right here. And now we can place our windows. So we know 4 go on this side. So 1, 2, 3, and this one's a long one, 4. And this one's 1, 2, 3. That's a long one. I think I made my box here too big. If you mess up, you can just erase and do it again. Okay, it's more like that. And then you can see this is a door here. And there's a door here. And that's how you draw the limo. So it's the same shapes, just different proportions, right? It's just longer. So actually, let me show you a few more pictures of cars. So the fun thing is you can now make your own cars. See this one, I like this one on the right with the really top, with the big top. So part of your homework is going to be to invent your own cars. You can draw your own cars and you can make whatever you want. So you can play around with shapes. You can make the wheels really big. You can make the top really big. You can do whatever you want. Just keep in mind the mental model, which is what we did is the long rectangle, the top rectangle, and then the triangles and the wheels. That's it. So simple.
Now, if you like that video, make sure you hit the like button to help us grow the YouTube channel, and hit the subscribe button to make sure that you get notified for future videos. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.